want to forget, I have a lot of markers and pencils and pens over there. Here is my main laptop, an HP Pavilion, and X360 laptop. It runs Windows 11 with a Intel Core i5 chip. Yeah, this is my main computer. Anyways, we even have in the closet, there is a lot less stuff than, yeah. We have my paper cutouts in there. Here are my BFDI plushies. Well, there may be a lot, but there were quite few, 2 plushies that were missing. I mean 3 plushies that are not in this box. And those are Official Fiery Plush, Fire Ready, and Leafy Jr. Fiery is Official Fiery Plush is at the top of my shelf that I'm going to get to in a moment. Fire Ready, we had to demolish Fire Ready, and I gave Leafy Jr. to one of those a BFDI fan that does not have YouTube but still likes BFDI. And here are my Tayo toys in there, and here are some nostalgic cars that I used to play with until sometime in 2020. Next, we have my nightstand. Here's my wallet and here's the globe. This is where I charge my Apple Watch. The reason why my Apple Watch is not there because I have it on. Yeah. Anyways, here's also my AirPods. Those are my only AirPods that I have besides my dad's AirPods. Anyways, up on my bed, same old, but something. Also, I forgot to mention, before then, I also made a new folder which is bigger and better than the older one. And the other folder is at the top of my shelf that I'll just get to in a moment. Next, we're going to my closet. Okay, let's see right here. This is where I put my phone collection and my tablets. And speaking of tablets, here is this iPad that I have. Here is this iPad mini 1st generation that I have here. And yeah, just put that to the side. Here is a speaker that my dad gave me. Here is a Sony VHS tape. Probably legit. Very legit. We have this thing that I used to have when I was in timeout or any activities. Yeah. Up there. We have this charger for any old computers. We also have this box where I put all of my Zuzu pets. And over there we have all of this. This is my Microsoft 365 card here. I wanted to keep it as a souvenir. Here's my Windows Vista Anytime upgrade that I kept for some reason. And here is my Windows XP computer that I That used to be my old computer until this computer right over here replaced it. And this is my Windows 7 laptop that is very slow because the dates have been changed to 2005, which was before Windows 7. And here are my BFDI minifigs. Wow. And inside this box, there is my BFDI figurines where I used to play BFDI Battle. Yeah, I just gotta put these things back into where they belong. Moving on. Here, this is my Zuzupep ball, and over here, and it is sitting on a box of Tonka Tinies. I used to film videos of Tonka Tinies, but then I decided I was too old for that. Anyways, and this is also where I store all of my Lego builds. Doesn't matter if it's a set or a legit Lego set or just a Lego creation that I made. Yeah. Up there, here is all my Storybots, knockoff Play-Doh. Here's this green screen that came with my Kitties in Creator Cam. And also, here's this coin here that says, "The Lord is my shepherd." I had to keep this. This is from Psalms 23. And it is on Billow's arms. Also, yeah, and here is, I forgot what his name is. Anyways, this is a solar panel dog that I built. Here's this Rubik's Cube, mini Rubik's Cube with different colors that I still couldn't solve yet. And behind that, it is Elmo, the character that some people do not like. And here's another mini Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube reminds me of the GAN Mosaic, but I don't have GAN Mosaic. I only have one cube that reminds me of it. And here's my original Rubik's Cube that I'm still trying to solve, and I couldn't. And here is my deodorant and this thing, yeah. And here's my RoboFish, a matchstick eraser, and the screwdriver that my dad wants me to keep, because my dad had it when he was younger. Anyways, here is my box of objects over here, and that's a lot of objects. This is Object Land characters, and this is a bunch of random characters mixed up with Brawl for the Million characters. Okay, we're almost there. Well, yeah, all this over here. This is my Fiery Clay figure that I made for no reason, and here is my BFACA figure. And here's a dice green square from Battle for Object Department Reboot. And here's a truck from Kinder Egg. And here are my Inanimate Insanity figures. And those are my Mini Brand Series 3. And here are two patooties, which are this. Okay, I'm just gonna take them out for a second. Okay, so this, I call them Snow. this one, I called him Brownie. I got those patooties at Five Below. And here are all my plushies, a lot of them. This is my official Fiery plush, and a foldy that I made using a printer. And here are my Beanie Boos. And here is a pretty drippy guy in Smiley. Here is Spongy from Spongy in the Real World, or a movie that I made that includes Spongy seeing the real world, and then he met official Fiery plush along the way. And yeah, here's a basketball plushie. This is basketball here. He doesn't have a face. Actually, it is a water bomb wet ball. Here is a pigeon here's a pigeon plush. And this is a beach ball that I used to play with when I was a baby, and then it got taken to Riverhead, and then I wanted it back, but then they let me have it back. And here is my Go-Go Smart Wheels fire truck plushie. And here, this chicken, I got it from the official Toyota store. Here, and yeah. Also, yeah. Here's everything I have here. This bookshelf. Here is my Chicka Chicka Boom Boom book I used to have. Yeah. Anyways. Oh wait. Forgot to mention. Cherry. And here is this thing that I used to sketch. Here's my 10 Commandments. Just wanted to make this for no reason. Then here is this. I forgot to bring it back into the library. Hedgehog map for the library. Okay. You'll have all this other stuff. Here's Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Who Was books. This is my binder for therapy. A Scholastic News that I kept. I Survived books. And all these other books. And here's an American flag. Okay. Now, moving on. Here's this cabinet. Here's Flute from the Object Land. Anyways, back to this closet. Here are some banners of flags of the world. And they include Germany, Brazil, Spain, the UK, and I don't remember. Here's Crocodile Snappers from Battle for Object Department Reboot. Anyways, and here is my iPad, the box of the iPad that I'm recording on, iPad 7th generation. That is my sister's tablet. Next, we have my tablet box, Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And here is my Apple Watch box. And yeah, here is my Noah's Ark toys that I used to play with. Here's this sky and red and blue book. Next, we're going to this cabinet here. This is all my alphabets. I also have my fraction blocks. This things that I eat. These letters, I used to have it in. I used to use them in CCB in the real world. Here are my alternate alphabet magnets, and here are my alphabet erasers. And those, I like playing with them. And this is my BFAC contestants. We even have an alphabet magnet pack that I got from Walmart. That was back in 2020, I believe. And here are my number blocks toys. But those are not official number blocks toys. Anyways, over there are my crayons, overtone crayons, and there are my phone Hebrew magnets. Also, I forgot to mention, here's my whiteboard. Yeah, where I draw everything on there. Yeah, and I also have my Hebrew alphabet up there. Those are plastic magnets. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Yeah. Bye.